Hello everyone! Welcome back to Pagkaing Pinoy TV. We're here again for another episode of my culinary journey. This is episode 5. I want to talk to you about what we've learned in class. So today we learn how to make pizza from scratch. Well, I've made pizza before, but I usually use the jarred tomato sauce or barbecue sauce. But this time I learned how to make fresh tomato sauce for pizza. I even get a chance to bring it home to my family. So my husband and my kids tried it. They actually love it. They even said it's the best pizza they've ever tasted. So stay tuned guys, and I hope you learned something from this video.
First, we start making the pizza dough. We combined flour, dry yeast, sugar, salt, olive oil, and water. Then we start kneading the dough until smooth and elastic. I have done pizza before and other breads, so I have no problem of doing manual kneading. Here's my dough. I cut it into 2 and put it in a greased bowl covered with plastic wrap. Now I just need to wait for it to rise. Then we make fresh tomato sauce for the pizza. In the boiling water, I blanched the tomato, then put it in cold water. I peel off the tomato skin, then cut it into small dice. In a pan over medium heat, I sweat the onion, then add the thin crushed tomatoes. Here I added the fresh tomatoes, fresh basil, and oregano. Next, we prepare the zucchini for the toppings. We cut it thinly, then pan fry it for a few minutes. Then we go back to our pizza dough. This is how it looks like. I started flattening it using a rolling pin. And we work on our desired shape. So here we're going to make a rectangle pizza. Next, we add the sauce. So this is the fresh tomato sauce that we made earlier. Here's my pizza dough with tomato sauce. I'm going to put it in the oven for 5 minutes to make sure that the dough is cooked. Now it's time to add the toppings. So we have zucchini in there. Then we also added some capsicum. Add the sliced mushroom. And if you're looking for a vegan pizza, you can just stop here, bake it, and it's ready. We've also added some shaved ham, salami, fresh basil and oregano, and of course, we added cheese, lots of it if you want to. I want to show you guys what I did. So here's before baking and after baking. I think it looks great and it actually tastes amazing.
That's about it guys. That's all I want to share to you today. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed, click on subscribe button, tap the bell icon so you can receive notification when I release new video. And thank you guys for watching. Please keep on coming back and see you on my next episode. Bye!